was the experience, ladies?
Oh, well, it's been lots of fun since this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, we started bright and early, and the girls have come in and have been rehearsing. So it's the first time I'm choreographing a show for
Right.
Bio. Ooh,
Woohoo.
okay
Wow.
then. They don't like my
Someone's
voice.
excited. They love your voice.
Okay, so I'm very excited to be here for Bio Oil. I've been using them for a while.
Yeah.
Ever since my bum started going,
Yeah.
I've been rubbing Bio Oil every day. So very excited to be here. And all the yummy mummies are very happy to be here too.
And you know, in fact, I have to tell all of y'all, talking about first, this is also your first choreographing experience.
That's true.
And amazing thing to experience along with your pregnancy.
Yes, it's a first for a lot of things.
A lot of things that are
It's a first
happening.
for a lot of things. I think for her as well.
Yeah, this first for a lot of things, and it's fantastic
Yeah.
being here and seeing so many mummies. You know, when you're pregnant for the first time, you feel like, oh my God, there's so much to do. But when you
Right.
have fellow women, fellow mummies to be along your side, it just feels nicer, you know, to
Yeah.
share your experiences, share your stories, say, oh, did you have that, or did you do this, or did you feel that?
Right.
So it's amazing to do that.
Right.
And of course, as Carol said that she's been applying, I started applying the oil the day I got to know that I was pregnant.
Okay.
And I was like, oh my God, you know what? I need to start this. And it's actually wonderful. When BioOil contacted me
Yeah.
to be a part of this event, I was like, listen, you know, you guys, you'll have how much I love this product. And it's not because that you guys have asked me to be part of this.
I'm already
I
using
genuinely,
it.
yes, I've already finished some 3 bottles. I mean, I doused myself in this oil. It's that fantastic. So, yeah, it's just great to be a part of an event where you share your experiences, you share stories, you discuss with the other fellow mommies. And
Right.
As she said, it's a first, so everything is brand new. It feels lovely.
And you know, Shweta, from the time that you got pregnant, absolutely no inhibition of going on social media. And you posted some beautiful pictures, which I'm
Yeah, I
sure
guess
a
I kind
lot
of
of our
created quite
bloggers. Yeah, but what's lovely about it is that you don't see that very often, in India especially. That's something that you really don't see. And when you posted that first picture, was there this moment of like, should I?
Actually, that first picture was completely by accident. I was at a friend's wedding.
Okay.
And it was a picture that I clicked at a friend's wedding, and I was wearing a beautiful sari by this brand called Doodlage. So I basically posted it, thank you for that outfit,
Yeah.
not realizing that, you know, my bump had started to show. And I was just about 5 or 5.5 months then.
Oh.
I didn't really think it would show, but I guess that picture kind of went viral
Yeah.
all over.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've just taken my pregnancy in its stride. I've taken each day as it comes.
Right.
At the end of the day, you know, you're pregnant. It's beautiful. It's not a handicap. You don't need to be sheltered at home. I mean, I was on a vacation and I have gone snorkeling. I've
Oh, wow.
dived. I've swam. I do my yoga. I do everything. So I guess those pictures that I keep sharing is just to let mommies to know that, you know, you don't need to sit at home and shelter and protect yourself. You can enjoy your pregnancy. You know,
Right.
spend it with the things that you like to do the most.
Yeah.
Dance if you have to do. You know, do your Pilates, do your yoga, or do whatever that makes you feel comfortable. Because at the end of the day, it's part of you.
Right.
It's growing with you. So I think you need to embrace it. That's what it is.
And Carol, you've also stayed very busy throughout your pregnancy.
Well, not really very busy. I've done one show then and one show now.
Now.
And
No,
people
but
just
other-
think.
Yeah, but other than like just your modeling, there's also, you know, you've not been, I'm going to sit at home.
I'm not going to sit at home, but I've
Yeah.
never been the kind of person who wants to sit at home. So the thing is, I like the fact that Bio Oil is coming, you know, telling women and us telling women that, you know, you need to shed these inhibitions that we've had. Especially being Indian, there are lots of people who just stay at home and are shy about their bodies,
Yeah.
shy about showing their bumps, you know. And the thing is, it's actually a very beautiful thing. It's part of you. It's actually something that's one of the most beautiful aspects about being a woman.
Right.
So that is something we should be extremely proud of and extremely happy about, and we should actually be flaunting it rather than hiding it. So I think it's time that we actually took that stand and, you know,
Yeah.
showed it off a
And
bit.
showed it off. Be yummy mummies, as
Yeah.
we say, yummy mummies. All right. Wait, I'm getting a little nervous. You're really on the edge. Don't worry. And he's getting nervous as well over there. He's more nervous.
Actually, I'm really comfortable.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
very comfortable.
Otherwise, I don't know. If I sit further back, I
Back?
might
Okay.
fall backwards.
Okay. So now what we're when we get pregnant. So, doctor, I'll start with Dr. Shetty. I'll start with you. I'll start with you first. What are the first changes that one really sees in their skin when they get pregnant?
So either it could get your skin to be more oily or more dry. Probably that's the first change that you'll end up seeing.
Just a little closer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So probably the changes in the skin, first thing that you will see is whether it gets a little more oily or a little more dry, depending on how your skin initially was. Then one nasty thing that happens is pigmentation. So that can happen on your cheek, happen on the neck, happen on the stomach, happen on the middle of that line that you happen on the stomach. So many of these pigmentation changes can happen. Then eventually what happens is you will start seeing your skin give way slowly. The elastin and the collagen give way slowly to so-called the red stretch marks that happen.
Right.
So that would be slowly the sequence of changes. And of course, on the face, the pigmentation, acne, all those changes can happen. Changes can happen with your, which makes it look more nice and luscious and full head of during pregnancy. So, yeah, so all of this during pregnancy.
Both the girls were like nodding and they were like, yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about over here. And, so, Dr. Coelho, the body obviously undergoes some of the biggest changes as well. And it's a lot of care that we want to take while we're pregnant. And then there's also all the care that we want to take after our delivery. Because all of us want to kind of just get back in shape. And I'm sure that that might be something that's on both your mind as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, because you'll have
the
always...
professions that we come
It's the
from.
that you come
Absolutely.
from, and otherwise also everybody wants to kind of get that body back.
I think generally all women want to come back to the shape they were before.
Right.
I mean, I don't know how possible it is.
But that's why we have
I
Dr.
don't
Coelho, and
know.
she's going to take us through
I
that.
hope so. But I'm hoping. I'm praying and hoping.
I know. I think that's what every mother, everyone's so apprehensive of getting pregnant because they're so worried about what it would do to their bodies. Especially in, as your profession, Carol and Shweta, and other working girls, etc. They wonder that, and so many of my patients like to delay their pregnancy because they don't want to lose shape. And to that, I must tell you that pregnancy is the healthiest period in a woman's life. You get good hair, sense of well-being, your face glows, as she mentioned, the skin is good, the hair is good, everything. But in order to be healthy during pregnancy, you have to have a healthy diet, you have to have a healthy blend of exercise, and also never soon after the delivery to get back into shape. It will happen. And the best time to lose weight after pregnancy is 3 to 6 months afterwards. So don't expect to get a pre-pregnant state before at least 6 months after delivery, because it takes time. You are breastfeeding, you don't want to die much.
Yeah.
And during pregnancy, you have to take care of your diet and exercise. The most important thing in diet is a good balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals and vitamins. Avoid sweets like the plague, because every woman during pregnancy, but scientifically during pregnancy, all the placental hormones have anti-insulin. So every girl is in a state of semi-diabetes during pregnancy. So that's why sweets are out. And a lot of carbohydrates. So a balanced diet and gentle exercises are wonderful. And after delivery, of course, for the first 6 weeks, basically, is the body comes back to this physiological normalcy. So basically, the puerperium or 6 weeks, you're not supposed to do anything very fast. But after 6 weeks, from 3 months and up to 6 months, you can exercise. There are 2 groups of muscles which get, you see bloat during pregnancy. One is the abdominal wall muscles, and then you have the pelvic floor muscle.
Right.
So the abdominal wall exercises and pelvic floor exercises are all you have to do immediate postpartum. And then, of course, you can join Pilates, Zumba, postnatal classes, etc., etc. And when you feel there's a way, you can go back to your pre-pregnant state.
Right. Oh, sorry. We're going to wrap it up, okay? But what we are going to do is that, of course, our beautiful contestants back onto the stage. All our yummy mummies, can you all also come and join us over here? We're going to wait for the results to come in, and we'll also do...
इस इवेंट के बारे में सबसे पहले तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है जो बायो ऑयल ने किया है शुरू, ये मम्मी यमीलिशियस वॉक, क्योंकि प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान बहुत सारी औरतें शाय हो जाती है, वो घर पे रहते हैं, उनको दिखाना नहीं होता है। आई मीन दिस इज बेसिकली इनकरेजिंग मॉमीज टू बी, जो अभी मम्मीज बन रहे हैं, कि इसमें कुछ छुपाने की बात नहीं, इसमें कुछ शर्माने की बात नहीं, ये आपका एक अंग है। इट्स अ न्यू बिगिनिंग, इट्स अ न्यू थिंग, और इसे आप प्राउडली कॉन्फिडेंटली आप इसे फ्लॉन्ट कर सकते हैं। और इसीलिए आई थिंक ये इस इनिशिएटिव से मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और इसलिए मैं इस इनिशिएटिव की एक पार्ट हूँ। दैट्स रीजन व्हाई आई एम आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस होल थिंग।
Well, I'm really happy to be here for Bio Oil, and Bio Oil has been something that I've been using for a really long time. I'm very happy that they have this initiative that they've started with the Yummy Mummies, and you know, all women in India especially are a little bit shy and a little bit reserved. You know, when it comes to their pregnancies, most of them plan to stay at home. They don't want to show their tummies. I like the fact that all has taken a step forward to tell women that it's completely natural, normal, and you know, to be happy with yourself, to enjoy your pregnancy. It is one of those times that you should be enjoying your body and your life and feeling beautiful.
अक्षता, आपने कोरियोग्राफ भी कराया इस बार, आप दोनों ने मिलकर क्या कहना
नहीं
चाहेंगे?
नहीं ये
आप दोनों ने
सिर्फ कैरल ने कोरियोग्राफ किया है हाँ जी
Sorry?
कोरियोग्राफ भी कराया, how was
Yeah. It's the first time I'm ever choreographing a show, and I'm very privileged and honored that it's for Bio Oil, and with these lovely yummy mummies today who are who are all walking the ramp for the first time. So it was the first time I was choreographing and the first time they were walking. So it was good fun.
अक्षता, मतलब जो गाँव के एरिया जो है, मतलब उनमें मतलब ऐसे वो लोग
जी
कितना परिवर्तन आया आज के टाइम में कि इस तरीके के इवेंट हो रहे हैं जिसमें आप सपोर्ट किया जा रहा है, और गाँव में
देखिए अगर ये हमने जो किया है अगर उन तक पहुंचता है ये, एंड आई एम श्योर आपके थ्रू ही, आप मीडिया हो, आपके थ्रू ये पहुंचेगा, टीवी के थ्रू या अखबारों के थ्रू. आई थिंक विमेन इन स्मॉलर विलेजेस, स्मॉलर सिटीज, गाँव में उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं मार्केट में जहाँ पर आप अपने बॉडी की ख्याल रख सकते हो, आपकी स्किन का ख्याल रख सकते हो. हमारे जो डॉक्टर्स पैनल पे जो डॉक्टर्स थे, जो उन्होंने कितने सारे सवालों के जवाब दिए हैं, तो अगर आप इनको दिखाएंगे उस सारे छोटे शहरों में तो उनको एजुकेशन मिल जाएगा, उनको ये पता चलेगा कि देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स कैन बी डन. और आई थिंक आजकल आज की दुनिया और आज के टाइम में इंटरनेट और मीडिया और ये सब कुछ इतना काफ़ी बड़ा है कि नो मैटर हाउ स्मॉल द विलेजेस, कहीं ना कहीं से तो न्यूज़ तो पहुंच ही जाती है. एंड आई थिंक पीपल आर गेटिंग फार मोर एजुकेटेड अबाउट दीज थिंग्स इन टुडेज डे. तो अगर आप सुन रहे हो हमें, तो यू ऑल टेक केयर ऑफ योर बॉडीज, अपने बॉडीज की ख्याल रखिए और खुश रहिए. तो ये 9 महीने एक पीरियड होती है जहाँ पर आप इतने पैम्पर करते हो, आपको आपके मदर इन लॉज, आपके मम्स, आपके हस्बैंड, आपके नेबर्स, आपके फ्रेंड्स. तो एंजॉय दिस पैम्परिंग एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ
How much you are excited when
both of you, since you belong to the entertainment industry, celebrities like Britney and Kim Kardashian, they have been flaunting their baby bumps
Yes,
a lot of
yes,
times.
of course.
But in India, I mean, I have seen for the first time you guys flaunting the baby bumps. And so, do you think that in a while, sometimes some of the groups who just call themselves they are the protectors of the so-called Bharati Sanskriti, they will be just annoyed with all these things? Do you think that?
Why would anybody be annoyed?
No, why would anybody be annoyed about having a baby bump?
In Indian.
I am wearing a sari.
We are
How is this from any way looking like we're going against Sanskriti? At the end of the day, it's an extension of our body.
And the thing is, I want to understand which part of your body or your how does it relate to Sanskriti? And here, what we are doing, we are mothers. We are bringing life to this world.
Absolutely.
Your sons, your boys are coming from us women. So remember the fact that you're coming from us, that we are giving birth to you. So I don't see how it goes against any Sanskriti or anything.
Absolutely.
Okay, sure. Thank you.